Cage by back rope and racing. All in front is second by Wind Beneath My Wings from the outside. Followed by Security for Zamba Top Notcher. Then followed by Fairhaven, Kaimaki, Chief of Staff. And going along for the first turn, Wind Beneath My Wings on about the wheel Top Notcher. Racing third, Security for Sambat moving up. Chief of Stop now from the outside. And into the back they trouble. Wind Beneath My Wings leads Malang. Chief of Stop now the outside second. Security Force running in third. Two lengths back in fourth. Sambata. And midway down the back, Sweaty Steel Wind Beneath My Wings leading Balang, followed by Chief of Stop. Security Force running in third. Down in fourth is Fairhaven. And Europa inside the last 600. It is still Wind Beneath My Wings, leading by some 2 lengths now. Towards the final turn, still Wind Beneath My Wings, leading Balang, followed now by Security Force. Towards the final turn, Wind Beneath My Wings, Spread Eagle now to about 3 lengths, followed by Security Force. And hitting the finish line is still Wind Beneath My Wings. Security Force, Chief of Staff, Fairhaven, Sambat, Europa, Top.
So it was Wind Beneath My Wings. Banderan tapos, 8-6.